In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot in CapCut PC. To begin, I've imported this clip onto my timeline over here. The first thing you need to do is to move your player to the position where you want to take this screenshot. Next, come over to these three lines over here and select it, and select Export Still Frames. The next thing you need to do is to give this a name. I'm going to call this screenshot, and choose the location you want to save this to. I'll probably save this to desktop and hit select folder. Now choose your resolution, 1080p is fine. Choose your format, either JPEG or PNG, and decide if you want it imported into this project. Because I want it for this project, I will select Import into Project and select Export. And automatically, you can find that screenshot imported into CapCut. I can now drag it into my timeline. And that's it guys on how to take screenshots in CapCut PC.